Here we have three values in a column A, B and C. For a column D we will use a sum functions, and in that we use a sum function. Then we will select a value column of value A, B and C. Then it will give us a sum of A, B, C. And in a column in a column E we will not use a sum functions. In that we will use a plus sign. So we will select a value plus B value plus C value. Then it will give us a same value as using the same functions. After that we will select that cell and we will extend that formula till our last values. So it will, here this video will show you the sum of the values using a sum functions and without sum functions using